So hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today is Saturday at dahil Saturday, mag-unboxing tayo. So yes, bakasyon pa din ako and I wanna do unboxing today guys, and I actually ordered this sa isang Pinay din dito sa Denmark, but I live in Nordsjælland and she's living in Jylland. So nakita ko na nag-post siya online that she's selling this product. And ito, guys, pampaganda ito. Sana naman gumanda tayo nito, eh. As you can see, marami akong parang problema sa mukha ko. Yung skin ko talaga, ang daming problema. Nagda-dry so much. Ang daming mga patlak-patlak na mga itim-itim dyan. So, nakita ko, and she's selling it online. And may mga nice reviews naman about this. So, itatry ko siya. And I just hope na magiging okay siya, or else baka mapasobra yung problema sa mukha ko. So anyway, sino yun si Madam Kilay? She's using this product at nakikita ko yung lagi sa Facebook niya na she's using this product, and then it's here in Denmark, so available siya, so in-order ko. And sabi ba ng asawa ko, baka daw masunog yung pagmumukha ko, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna try anyway. If hindi siya good sa akin for maybe 2 days, itatry ko. Pag hindi good, i-stop ko. Pag maging okay, then I'll continue. Maybe some of you have tried this product. Open ko muna. Ang dami kong sinasabi, hindi ko pa na-open. Wait lang. So, wala tayong gunting, guys. So, I'm just gonna use a pen. Magkano bang bili ko dito? I don't actually remember. Parang 200 kroner ata. Wait lang. My gosh. Maubos ang oras natin sa pag-open ba? Da. Tapos na dyan. Kakainis, oy. Meron na guys. Wait lang. Hintay talaga kayo guys. Wala kayong choice. Tapos yung niluluto ko pala, hindi pa ako nag-lunch. So I'm also cooking rice at the same time. At saka yung manok na nilagay ko lang sa oven. And I think it's gonna be done soon. So, sirain na natin. Ay. Actually, maraming mga Pinay dito sa Denmark na nagbi-business. And sobrang nakaka-proud lang talaga na kahit saan talaga sa mundo, lumalabas talaga yung pagiging entrepreneur ng mga Pinoy. So, binili ko siya. Medyo nakakatakot siya guys kasi first time kong gamitin. Baka masunog yung mukha ko ba? Pero gusto ko siyang i-try. Baka it will fix the problem. At lahat naman yung nakikita kong gumagamit ito, gumaganda naman sila. Baka naman may chance pa. Baka naman may chance sa akin. Dito guys, na-open ko na siya. And wait. There you go. Ito guys. So I bought this. Actually, matagal na siyang, mga ano na ata, 2 weeks na ata ako na itong binili. Tapos, na-stock lang dito sa bahay kasi wala akong time na mag-open. So, this is it. The Rejuvenating Set 1. And I hope mag-effect siya sa akin or else baka maiyak lang ako. So, anyway. So, ang laman pala niya is my Rejuvenating Facial Toner, my Sunblock, my Collagen Cream, basta, may sabon din. So, sabi nila, ano daw, parang ubusin muna ito and then may another set to na parang moisturizer ata. Pero ito lang muna yung binili ko talaga. Because I wanna try if okay ba sa akin. Ang dami pala yung laman guys. And I bought this for mga 200 ata. 200 kroner. So, kayo na yung mag times 7. So, ano ito? Sunblock. Paano ba yan? Yes, yan. Sunblock 1, number 1. Tapos may ito na yung cream, number 1. There. And age-defying rejuvenating cream number 1. Ito yung collagen cream number 1. Kita ba? Sorry guys, first time ko kasi talagang magaganito-ganito ba. Oh, ito na yung toner. Yan, age-defying daw. There, and tapos ito yung sabon. So, basahin natin paano ba ito gawin. A set of products that peels away uneven pigments while renewing skin cells. Okay. Morning cleanse face rejuvenating soap. Rinse well, pat dry with soft cloth using a cotton ball. Apply the toner, this. And then, smoothing sunblock. Where's the sunblock? Ito na yung sunblock. Ganyan pala yung pagkakaano niyan. Face and neck, at least 20 minutes. Note for extra dry micro-peeling, blah blah. Extra dry micro-peeling. Apply age-defying collagen cream number 1 before the... Okay. So, pag sobrang ouchy-ouchy yung mukha mo, lagyan muna ng collagen. Ewan ko ba naintindihan niyo? Ako nagsisalita lang talaga ako sa sarili ko. So anyway, pag morning pala, ito yung first, sabon muna. Tapos toner. Tapos after ng toner, pwedeng sunblock na kaagad. Pero pag super ang peeling na mukha mo and it's hurting you so much, then after ng toner, itong collagen cream. And then after collagen cream, so this one, the moisturizing cream. Tapos, pag ano pala, pag evening time, in one uniform stroke, apply thinly rejuvenating cream number 1 all over the face and neck. After a few minutes, apply ample amount of age-defying collagen cream number 1 the same area. Okay, ang daming steps guys. So, these are, hindi yung mababasa because it's too small. So, anyway, yan. And I'm gonna try it out. I will start doing it tomorrow. At tapos yung skin tag remover ko, I also wanna do it tomorrow. Pero ilang few ano lang, dots lang sa skin ko just to make sure na pag na-infect or anong mangyari, hindi ganun kalala. But I'm gonna try it for a few spots muna. So I'm gonna do it tomorrow kasi hindi pwede ngayon. Kasi magkakasunog-sunog tayo dito sa mukhaan. Yes, I know I've been promising you that I'm gonna do it so soon, pero hindi ko talaga nagagawa guys kasi medyo natatakot ako because may mga videos na after they did it, yung mga spots, it looks so obvious, tapos magwo-work ako dun sa shopping mall at baka matakot yung mga customer sa akin. But this one, I'll do this tomorrow, everything I'm gonna do tomorrow kasi wala akong gagawin tomorrow. I'm pretty sure hangover ako tomorrow because later tonight I'm gonna get drunk. So, yun. And then, yun guys, nag-unboxing lang tayo. Sana naman gumanda tayo eh. Pero, yung iba, wag nyo akong gayahin guys ha, kasi hindi ko naman talaga alam if it's gonna be okay sa akin or not. Ito try ko lang, and besides, mukha ako naman to. So, yes. Yun lang. 9:45 na. My gosh, I'm really happy dito sa camera na to guys, really. Kahit hindi ko pa talaga alam kung paano siya i-adjust, ganyan. But, I think it's a good buy. Happy ako dyan. Yun. So guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.